Hi, and welcome back to my English struggles. This is day 20 of my 30-day English speaking challenge. Today, I want to talk about a feeling that a lot of people experience, especially when they are trying to grow. The feeling of being left behind. You know that moment when you look around and everyone seems to be moving forward, getting new jobs, traveling, making money, achieving their goals, while you're just still trying to figure things out. Yeah, that feeling hurts. It makes you question yourself. It makes you wonder if you're doing something wrong. Sometimes it even makes you lose motivation. But here's something I've learned. Just because you're not moving fast doesn't mean you're not moving. Growth doesn't always look like success. Sometimes it looks like patience. Sometimes it looks like confusion. Sometimes it looks like starting over again and again. You don't see progress every day, but deep down, something is happening. You're learning, you're adapting, you're getting stronger mentally. See, everyone's timeline is different. Some people bloom early, others later, but that doesn't make anyone better. You might not have the results yet, but you are building the roots that will sustain you when you finally grow. And here's the truth: life is not a race. Life is not a race, it's a journey, and everyone's pace is unique. So if you ever felt left behind, remember you are not really behind, you're just becoming. So keep showing up, keep learning, keep believing. Your time will come, and when it does, you'll understand why the wait was necessary. So, guys, this is what I had to share with you today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. See you tomorrow for day 21. Cheers.